Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to make a spatula. This spatula is useful when it comes to repair on the gypsum wall or the gypsum ceilings. Once you have something to do, especially the air conditioning, guys, if they work with it, they need to open up to find the leak if the problem is leak. So here, instead of buying, let's make one. Here I'm imitating the plastic spatula, and it's only 3 inches and I want to make it 4 inches, so I'm extending it, guys. Now I already cut the first one and just took it and place on the stainless steel sheet and make a copy. Just cut it, guys, and later we're going to make a handle of it.
Sorry ass DJ.
Okay, it's done, and we're going to make a handle. And this is 3/4 marine, no available wood for this time, so I took this one and make a handle out of it.
You can get some.
After that, we're drilling the hole to go with the handle of the stainless steel spatula. And next, the other one, we're going to make another hole. And I'm using metal drill bit for this time. It's a 1/4 size, and here I'm using 1/4 tube, and I took the width of the handle and I cut, and let's cut another one, and cut it. After this, guys, we're going to insert to the hole and secure the spatula from the handle not moving. Right now I don't have swagging tools, so later I'm just looking for something that can penetrate the 1/4 copper tube here. I'm just aiming for the 2 mm to 3 mm. Here is it, guys. Okay, that's all I want. It holds securely now. It's a little bit ugly, but it's okay. Now let's try to grind the edges of the handle. Make it beautiful tool and easy to handle. And after shaping, try to grind also the ends of the spatula. We don't get hurt when we use it. And later we're going to use 1000 number of sanding to make it smooth. Here is it. And it's almost done, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. DIY is done. spatula. Here is it now, ready to use.